Hello everybody, welcome back to Sew Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I made this beautiful top. So with ruched sleeves. As you can see, I absolutely love the detail. So if you want to see how I made it, keep on watching. The first thing I will do is cut the front bodice. As you can see, I just use a t-shirt as my pattern. I fold it in half and I'm simply going to trace the neckline, arm side, shoulder, side seam, and the hemline. I will be using pins to mark it, but feel free to use a marking pencil or chalk. Since I plan on using my serger for this project, I know that I will have to add a 1/4 inch seam allowance. If you are going to use your regular sewing machine, you can add at least 1/2 inch seam allowances on all sides. After that, I will be using the same piece here as my template, but I will raise up the back neckline. After that, I am going to be cutting out the sleeves. I did not have enough fabric, so I ended up doing a 1/4 length sleeves instead. And here I am showing you that I just copied the sleeves from the shirt that I used earlier. Now it's time to join the shoulder seams. You encounter that the sleeves is a little too big for the armholes, you can easily ease it in by simply gathering the center fold of the sleeve, and then you just kind of lightly gather it to make the slope a little smaller so it will fit the armholes. Here I have two types of elastic. The other one is about a 1/4 inch wide, and this one that I'm going to be using is the smallest I can find. I don't know the measurement, but that is somewhat smaller than the other one that I showed you. To add the ruched detail, you simply are going to put it at the center fold of the sleeve. Kind of figure out where the center fold of the sleeve is, and then I mark it. So I want the ruching about 5 inches long. You can go as long as you want. 5 inches is enough for me. So I'm simply going to place it on the fabric. I'm just going to use a straight stitch for this, but I will be stretching the elastic as I sew. And it should look something like this, and you will repeat the same process on the other sleeve. It's time to sew the sleeve on the arm side. I match the center fold of the sleeve and the shoulder of the bodice, and I'm just going to pin it to secure. And then I will serge it. If you are curious on what setting I use for my serger, I use 4444, and my serger is called Brother Lock 1034D. Now it's time to close the side seams. Differential setting is on 0.7, and then 3, and the last one is 5. After that, it's time to finish the hemlines. I have a separate tutorial on how to finish a neckline. I'm going to have the link in the description box or at the end screen. And here is the final product. I absolutely love how the sleeves turn out. I think the 3/4 length sleeve is very flattering on any body type. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every week. Hit the notifications so you'll get notified whenever I post a brand new video. Until then, I will see you next time. Bye!